Wozoon dinwe magna duk, niwii-izhiwinaa big. Calling in dishna kaz. Okibaga boendigo. Titibiniozi bigish kunagadinga in donji. Benesi in do dame. So I'm going to talk today about a proper word usage I got taught here from my buddy here, Dr. Brendan Kishkatone. He's half Anishinaabe, half Kickapoo. He has a PhD in linguistics with a speciality in Anishinaabe mon. And get in way with an on, our language, Ginoand. A possessed, inanimate noun. Possessed by first person, plural, inclusive, not exclusive. Exclusive is niwii-piinaa. Okay, enough of that there. So when you're going to say you're going to bring your mother to the airport, you have to use the proper word. Because sometimes people will use the improper word. You have to know not only the sentence structure, but the proper word to use in the right context. So here we go. Booniiwining, niwii-izhiwinaa, nimaamaa. Abiding-piinaa. Booniiwining, niwii-izhiwinaa, nimaamaa. I'm going to bring my mom to the airport to take her along with me. But some people, they think bring bij, the root word. They might say Booniiwining, niwii-piinaa, nimaamaa. But niwii-piinaa, that means to bring something animate. In that context, it's not proper. It's more proper to say izhiwinaa. Izhiwish is the root word of the first sentence, and bij is the root transitive animate verb to bring something animate. The other one means to take along. It has more of a context of taking someone, an animate person or object along with you as you venture forth towards a certain location. Like if you're going to say to someone, biji shin, if you say to them, Amy, kwan biji shin, bring me a spoon. That's correct because you're in very close proximity. So, those kind of things you have to know about the semantics of the language and for language learners, because fluent speakers don't have to think about these things because they can just speak the language. But we have to teach the language as a second language with those kind of techniques, because in southern Manitoba, we have a severe loss of fluency now here in 2025. Out of the three languages that they said they were going to survive, Inuktitut took the Cree language, niwii-izhiwinaa, and Anishinaabe. Anishinaabe is the one that's more in danger out of those three in the southern regions because we're closer to the American border. We live in larger populated areas, so we're having a more severe loss of fluency and transmission of the language to the successive generations than those other two strong languages are Cree and Inuktitut. Mashkigo moon Anishinaabe mung. That's how we say it. So we have to think of ways to pass the language on, and I want to work towards that in a real exhaustive way, open access for any learner that wants to learn. I'm sorry.